one of the biggest move ever in the career making former Kumasi Asante Kotoko Goalkeeper Razak Abalora. This season Ebekosui na reported say go beat me a join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na reported na Antentam finally we're making a move to one of the biggest clubs Kazakhstan Premier League side your friend FK Zhenis ASTANA. And that's a good one. So this is the move for the former Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper your friend Razak Abalora no payana information about am say me ha say no enye kasatenten ena enye Kotoko one house one assembly sia emu nchiremu no ene entiase no to the minutest level of yinyina no entiase na ye de abani achirem enya de a ye be ye long ewo ye videos no cry at least sema mienu miensa na ya wrap up na ye ko nim say Abalora ofri Kumasi Asante Kotoko I think 2022 there about 2021 2022 and oko FC Sheriff for I think Moldova. He had a stint with another Turkish club, and then again. Finally, this season, na Kotoko, because of Africa project, Nanki na ye pepa. Mia no me de me gym abra reports na sha say ba no sene be yanka. Attention no be baso. Na Kotoko hu ne say Aziz Aruna adari no so option ne ye. E na ye de kofa Aziz Aruna adari a Razak Abalora ends me answer amba Kotoko. Nti na ye no crew. So report at the band say Kotoko back to Kotoko because then he was a free agent. So they made sure indeed to say the agents now work out as I say when ya oko Kazakhstan omu Premier League side enye Division 1 and enye Division 2 a Premier League side oko Kazakhstan omu Premier League side I friend FK Zhenis ASTANA bit like I say FK ASTANA a top team wo hopa be bomb price or be commanding a regular play ama that should be a Ghana Black Stars you coach or die no sisi a prepare say you be call World Cup no oto yensa na ekobia e betimi ayeden afa ho na wa frɛ no to the Black Stars menka ne sa na chese Ghana itima ye ward nanka yakɔ World Cup na Razak Abalora give do but engine no so say obetimi akɔbɔ no homɔden ɛwɔ ne new club FK Zhenis or Ghana Kazakhstan Premier League no it is say no Kotoko former goalkeeper no wenya club is a good news young wishing all the best I say entiase fie enye ntetemo na enye dede edin ya nazo Hamza obetimi from the blog man for now me do see a cha bebre me call long time.